Hi, all my friends, and welcome to J7409 Weather. Today, Tuesday, January 21st, 2020. All kind of things are happening, folks. We got a storm that's developing over the Four Corners area. We got wintry mix to develop from portions of Oklahoma, Arkansas, to upper Great Lakes areas starting tonight. Now, for the Pacific Northwest to the Rockies, rain and higher elevation snow, and the cold temperatures are going to persist across the south and east coast, while the temperatures warm a little bit into the northern central U.S. through Wednesday. This is the satellite picture. What's going on? You can see we do have this precipitation moving in now. The east coast is looking pretty clear at this point, but this is going to move over, so stick around for all the details. Before we get on with the weather, if you are into the weather and any weather-related content, please don't forget to subscribe if you choose to do so. Click the bell, check off all to ensure that you get all the latest in weather news, forecasts, watches, warnings, any kind of severe weather that may be coming your way. The deep south or the deep freeze? Well, we're going to check out right quickly before we go any further. This cold temperatures everybody's waking up to, and they're going to remain with the freeze and frost warnings. Okay? This is for portions of Georgia, as you can see, and portions of Florida. 28. Now this is through tomorrow at 7 a.m. It's going to be another cold night tonight. Ocala 28. Palm Coast 35. Jacksonville freezing 32. You can see all these places right in these areas here. Moving up into Georgia, Waycross 27. Homer 28. All in the 20s and 30s out along St. Simon Islands 31. Fernandina Beach 35. It's not only in those areas. Look, it's going to be cold all the way down to Miami. But here is another section of Florida. Portions of the southwest to the west central areas of Florida from 1 a.m. this morning going or tomorrow morning, I should say, tonight, through 9 a.m. tomorrow. Very cold wind chills are expected. Wind chills as low as 20 to 25 degrees in the northern locations, 25 to 30 for the central and southern locations. Now, it's going to be cold again. Everybody prepare. If you have any plants that you need to bring in, you should have brought them in a couple of nights ago, but hopefully don't put them back out. Maybe by Thursday, we should see a little bit of warming happening. It's going to take a while, and then probably by the weekend, things will be back to pretty much normal. Here's a NAM map for this morning. We're going to get right into it now. I'm going to turn it on. Everybody pay attention. It's going to get a little nasty up in these areas coming up in the very near future. So as I turn this on, I will just let it roll and let you know that we have a weaker upper level system. Now it's going to track through the southwest today with mountain snow and lower elevation rain. This system should eject out into the southern plains with mostly rain breaking out across Texas, but with a mixture of rain and snow for Oklahoma coming up this evening into tomorrow morning. Now, additional wintry weather is going to extend northward into the Missouri Valley, along with light ice accumulations. Then we've got some snow accumulations that should stay kind of on the light side, maybe 1 to 3 inches from Kansas into the Great Lakes, as well as less than 1/10 of an inch of freezing rain. Unsettled weather is going to develop across much of the western U.S. today, as we have two upper level systems. It's going to move from the Pacific. A strong cold front will bring coastal rain and mountain snow to the Pacific Northwest today, with snow moving into interior sections of the west as the cold front advances eastward into tomorrow. Now, not much of a break is expected for the Pacific Northwest, as another system will approach by tomorrow. Now, it's going to bring more rain and snow to this region. Now, it's looking like snowfall totals are expected to be highest in the Washington State area and Oregon Cascades, where maybe 1 to 2 feet can be expected, and even higher in the northern Washington Cascades. Cold weather indeed. It's going to remain east of the Mississippi today, with high temperatures running about 10 to 20 degrees below average, but some moderation should occur tomorrow along and west of the Appalachian Mountains, with the highs climbing into the 30s and 40s. This below average temperatures that a lot of people are seeing, as well as myself this morning, well, it's looking like these temperatures are going to remain across eastern Texas, Oklahoma, into the lower Mississippi Valley, and the storm system that's approaching from the west that I just mentioned a while ago, it's not going to help with this situation. As you can see, you're going to get a mixture of rain, freezing rain, and snow for those areas. Up north, though, we got a little bit of a warmer trend that's anticipated for today from the northern high plains, spreading east into the Great Lakes region for tomorrow. High temperature departures from tomorrow should run 10 to 20 degrees above average from eastern Montana and Wyoming into and across the upper Mississippi Valley. So far as severe weather itself goes today, when we're talking like severe thunderstorms, updraft winds, hail, things of that sort, none is expected. None is expected. We got to keep our eyes on this system as it moves across. Once again, this should be fairly lighter snow for the next few days it's coming up, maybe 1 to 3 inches. But when it does start, and it does start to crank up like I've told you it's going to today, and then start moving across tonight, we do have ice and snow in Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma, Missouri, Arkansas. We've got a mixture of all this winter precipitation, so please be aware. Don't worry, my friends, I will keep my eyes on this. If I see any drastic changes coming up, I'll be sure and put a video up about it for you. If this storm seems to be intensifying a little more than it's looking like it's going to right now. It's bad enough as it is. Everybody needs a little break right now. So, with that all said and done, thanks so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Thanks for the comments, the likes, the sharing this information on your social media and with your family and friends. I appreciate it very much. It helps me out greatly when you do this. Everybody have a good day, a safe day, a blessed day. Stay warm and bundle up. Peace, love, and kindness to each and every one of you. Thanks so much for watching.